With Thanksgiving around the corner, millions of people are shopping online for amazing deals, using their bank cards and personal information to make purchases. But this also means hackers are more active than ever, looking for ways to steal your sensitive data, like credit card numbers and personal information, during these busy shopping days. They use methods like phishing emails, fake websites, and insecure payment gateways to trick you into revealing your information. So how do you protect yourself? First, always check the website security. Look for the HTTPS and a lock icon in the browser before entering any sensitive information. Second, avoid clicking on suspicious emails or links offering deals that seem too good to be true. Use multi-factor authentication, MFA, for your online accounts to add an extra layer of security. Lastly, shop only on trusted websites, and never save your payment details on websites you don't fully trust. By staying cautious and following these simple steps, you can enjoy your shopping while keeping your personal information safe. Stay safe, shop securely, and enjoy the holidays.